Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is very important because for the 2023 batch, so many candidates DM me related to the mass hiring for the so many different MNCs. So this is our part first video in which we will discuss about the Infosys MNC off campus hiring full process for the 2023 batch, in which month they are expecting to hire for the different role, and Infosys all hirings exam complete details, Infosys complete process. They are offering 3.6, 6.25 LPA and 9.5 LPA role opportunity or salary opportunity. And at last we also talk about the 2022 to 2022 batch joining process started, means they are sending the joining in the form of phases. So let's start the video. So this is our first video that is related to Infosys. In the upcoming video, we will talk about Essentia, TCS, Capgemini, Cognizant. Okay. So how to prepare for the Infosys examination, I already made so many good videos for all of you. But today's video is very different. Okay, let's start the video. One of the most important point that I have to mention, that if you wanted to crack the opportunity of 9.5 LPA, if you wanted to crack the opportunity of 6.25 LPA, so Infosys team is providing the good hiring that is related to different examination. Okay, they are generally hired through the two different mode every year, on campus and off campus. For the on campus, the hiring process is depend to college. Okay, and it will be totally depends on Infosys team on in the off campus hiring, in the on campus hiring, whether they will hire for the particular role or not. Okay, but through the off campus hiring, there are four type of examinations are here, but they are offering the roles related to systems engineer. Okay, the first role is related to systems engineer, 3.6 LPA is the opportunity, and second role is related to DSE, digital specialist engineer, 6.25 LPA, and the third opportunity is related to the SP, specialist programmer, that is related to 9.5 LPA per annum package. And if you are from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, many courses are eligible for the opportunity, and they are allowed, the all branches are eligible for this opportunity. Okay, so most probably they are conducting the first two examination as the hackathon part. So the InfyTQ and Hack with Infy is already over. Okay, they already hired the 2022 3 batch to through this examination. And if you are received the selection mail and if you are waiting for the particular offer, so when your graduation is completed, like in the 2023 April or July, your graduation is completed, your final 8th sem exam would be completed. So after that they will send the particular joining letter and the onboarding related details. But you are in confusion, like you completed your interview for the Infosys, InfyTQ or Hack with Infy, and there is no update after that. So one of the most important point, depends on your interview and overall performance, they will send mail. In the case of mine, okay, I completed my interview after interview after 3 months of examination, and after 6 to 7 months I got the selection mail. Okay, so it takes time and it will be totally depends on the Infosys team. But if your performance is good, okay, if you are very confident about your performance, so they will send the next mail. So there is a two type of hirings are there, direct hiring and the DSE and SP hiring. The direct hiring is only for the systems engineer role, and in this hiring is related to the mass hiring. Okay, that is called the mass hiring. So most probably they hire for this role only in the direct hiring. For the DSE and SP hiring, they are hiring for 6.25 LPA package, and for the SP there is a 9.5 LPA package. But in this examination they only ask the 3 coding question, and most probably they not follow any of the percentage criteria in some of the previous examination. But in the system engineer examination there is a 60 percentage criteria is there. In InfyTQ Hack with Infy there is no 60 percentage criteria. Okay, in system engineer and in the direct hiring also they consider at least 60% criteria, and in the system engineer exam there is a aptitude test also, pseudo code based, and after there is a interview. Okay, so one of the most important point, when they hire expected month, that is related to hiring. So for the system engineer hiring, I think if you are if you are passing in 2023 year, so this is your 7th sem, and in your 8th sem, like 8th sem is most probably start in the upcoming month, like from the January. Okay, so the January is the January to April, or January to June, like you have completed, you have to complete your graduation. So most probably according to the previous trend, they are hiring in the January or February month. Okay, so when the requirements begin, so they will hire most probably in the January and February, and they will notify through their LinkedIn platform, or they will post the hiring in the on the careers portal related to they are hiring for the 2023 batch. If I talk about to 2022 to 2020 batch hiring, so it will be totally depends on Infosys team. Okay, that is related to other hiring. Okay, so this is the complete process. In the system engineer examination there is a aptitude, okay, plus pseudocode and verbal, and after that there is a interview. For DSE and SP, okay, like first is related to coding examination, and according to your performance in this examination they will invite you for an interview. After that your final selection is there. Okay, so if I talk about the 22 to 2020 batch offer letter or onboarding process, so in the November to December phase they already mentioned that the 4 joining dates. So in the January they also mentioned that on the 2 January there is another joining date called the 5th joining date. So most probably into November to February phase there are more joinings in the come. Okay, so if you are waiting, so most probably they will send you according to phases. I hope this video is useful for everyone, and for the 2023 batch please like and share the video with your friends. If you want more videos related to Accenture, Capgemini, Cognizant, TCS process, Wipro process, comment, please mention in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.